Hey guys, I just came back from the Apple Store, and this is the brand new just released AirPods Pro 2 that I haven't heard in person yet, but have read tons of great reviews on the internet, and I'm very excited to try it out. And this is a UAG Scout case that is recommended by the staff. So they said it's going to protect the earphone case really well. So also I'm going to unbox it today. So let's just get right into the unboxing. I guess no need for a knife. Let's just open up the seal right here. Okay, it's open. Fairly simple package, and just a black case. All right, nothing more inside. Just set this aside. So the upper parts and the down, and yeah, just the case feels very solid. All very nice cutouts, and also cutouts for the buttons for you to pair it to your phone. Very nice. And a carabiner in case if you just want to clip it to wherever you wish. All right, so let's just set this for the side for now, and let's just get to the earphones real quick. So yeah, very standard packaging from Apple. It's just AirPods Pro, and yeah, pretty nice package. All right, let's open the seal. Just boom, 1, 2. All right, let's just set this to the side for now, and reveals designed by Apple in California. Oh, all right, pretty nice. So we got some paperwork and stuff, and oh, apparently no stickers these days. Nah, there's no stickers inside, but it's okay, it just says for a side. And this, the product itself, pretty nice and weighty. Okay, so this should be the ear tips that are just, and this is a charging cable. It hasn't changed to the USB-C, it's still the lightning cable, but it's all right. It's great to have another one because you can break this very easily. So it's also always great to have another one. So we can always have another backup for iPhone and stuff. So this is the ear tips. All right, let's just try and get this out for now. All right. Okay, this is you got extra small, and large. Apparently the medium is just it's installed on the earbuds itself already, I think. Okay, this is the case itself, just like the original ones, except you got a lanyard system right here, which I do not intend to use that, but it's good that it's there because I'll be just using the case and the carabiner. So yeah, and this, the earphones themselves, pretty just like the original ones. And yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 2, and I'm very excited to try it out, and I'll soon bring a review soon for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, and peace. Bye-bye.